What's up, guys? It's Raph in the Raph Cave, and welcome back to another unboxing of the latest, greatest home Wi-Fi mesh network, Arris. Boom. Today, Best Buy just got this bad boy in. World's first Wi-Fi 6 AX mesh Wi-Fi system, 11,000. This is the fastest system you can get for your home. This is a dual node system, 6,000 square feet of range, Wi-Fi 6 protocol. Nothing better than this. Gigabit Wi-Fi internet for your whole house. Nothing else is better than this. This is king of home Wi-Fi. And if you have gigabit internet like I do, CenturyLink fiber, you have to have this. You have to have whole home gigabit Wi-Fi network mesh system. This is incredible, guys. Tri-band Wi-Fi 6, AX11000, the highest speeds you can get for gigabit plans. Maximize your Wi-Fi. Tri-band Wi-Fi AX. This is fantastic. It's the best. Works with Alexa. It's got an amazing app you can hook up.
I'm having trouble connecting to the internet.
Yeah,
Take a look at the help section in your Alexa app.
This has a built-in app. You have parental controls. You have full control of your whole system, and it gives you Wi-Fi speeds and your current speeds anytime you open the app, which is awesome. Each node gives you 3,000 square feet. So having 6,000, excuse me, just had a wonderful dinner. This is going to give you perfect range. Crazy. It's got gigabit Ethernet ports in the bottom, has 4 of them. You can also do the dual, what do you call that? WAN link aggregation. So 2 gig through LAN, or WAN if you want. That's crazy. 2-year warranty, easy setup app. Guys, this is beast. This is it, man. Max speeds, redefining gigabit, 400 times faster than typical AC mesh systems. It's insane. All devices all the time. This has a quad core 64-bit 1.8 gigahertz processor on both, which is amazing. Oh, you increase the battery life of all your devices and the range. It's incredible, guys. And you can also add another node if you want for up to 9,000 square feet. Insane. All right, guys, let me get this button box for you. Like this video, please appreciate it, liking the video. Subscribe if you're new. Welcome to the Raph Cave Club. Home theater inspiration videos, unboxings, trailer reactions, and video game live stream. If you like that stuff, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and welcome to the club. I appreciate it. It supports me, helps me out. Without further ado, let's get this unboxed and show you guys what's inside. I can't wait to get the Raph Cave home truly AX optimized. Let's get it. All right, guys, here it is. Front of the box, gorgeous. So much cool stuff to read. On the side is your app you download for free. It gives you all the control. Back of the box, all the specs there, the cool stuff you can read. AX11000 Wi-Fi 6 covers your entire home. There's what's in the box, a couple specs in the bottom there. Fantastic. And those are the ports in the bottom there for Ethernet. All right, let's get this bad boy unboxed. You know what time it is? Black Pin. Oh man, this is awesome. World's first, world's fastest mesh system. Oh my gosh. There is no doubt about this. No second guessing. No doubt of what's better down the road, or what if I did this? What if I did that? No, man, this is truly nothing better than this. All right, so what's going on? Okay, if we lift this up, Arris. It's a unique box here. it's got Velcro on the bottom. You ready, guys? Holy cow. Oh my God, these are huge. Oh, I love them. They're awesome. Wow, that's amazing. Check out this box. Look at these things. Holy crap. What do you got in here? Salt packet, nothing in here. Okay, that goes there. Wow, these are crazy looking. There's your bottom. Got your WAN port, and these are all the other Ethernet ports, power cord. Wow, nice ventilation in the back. More ventilation on top. I think these light up too. Damn, that's cool. There's one, and there's two. This must be the main one there. It's got some. All right, guys. So after you drop the nodes to 2 nodes there, inside the box deeper is your 2 power cords and your patch cable. So from this point on, you're going to download the app and go through the install process step by step. Let's get it. All right, guys. I just plugged it in. Got the Ethernet cables going in the bottom there. Power cord. Just turned it on for the first time, and now it's glowing blue. Getting ready to open up the app and go through the process step by step to get this bad boy activated. And this will be the first of 2 nodes. Get this one going here, and then I'll go ahead and set up the second node upstairs in the office to complete the connection and to complete the 6,000 square feet of AX Wi-Fi 6 mesh speeds. It's gonna be great. All right, guys, be right back. All right, guys, so the Arris is fully installed. I have the main node down here in the raft cave, hooked up, looks amazing. The blue light is fantastic, and it matches with my monster power, so I'm loving where that is. Love having blue lights, because blue lights to me is just cool. So that's hooked up. I have the other node upstairs on the 2nd floor in the office. Perfect connection with the 3rd band of 5 gigahertz. So that's got an incredible 2.3 gigabit connection. So that thing is fantastic. So installing it was a snap. It was super simple. You open up the app and you follow the steps step by step. So it's very simple. I'll put pictures next to me here. Took probably about 15 minutes to get it all hooked up. Sorry, I'm out of breath a little bit. Just got done working out here. So yeah, step by step, what it'll do is you got to hook up your Bluetooth to the node, and then that way you'll connect to the node and then connect to the downstairs node there. One thing I did have to do is move the node closer to this node to get a connection, and then move it back upstairs in the office. Kept the fantastic signal, so that was good. And then after about 15 minutes, it links up. You're good to go. Very smooth, very simple. And then it'll tell you what devices are connected to it. So I have about 9 devices connected to the office node, and I have about 22 or 23 devices hooked up to the downstairs node, and the speeds are fantastic. Excellent range, excellent connectivity. I didn't dip below full strength at all anywhere in my house on my phone. I'm looking at the it's usually like 4 or 5 Wi-Fi bars. Always 5 bars, no matter where I am. 5, always 5. It's fantastic. Speed tests are great. Like 300 down, 300 up, which is good on my phone. That's about the most I've ever gotten on my 4G Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. What else? The app is good. You can actually look at every device, see what kind of Wi-Fi protocol it's on, see the signal strength. You can rename it, which is good. And then do speed tests, of course. You can speed test your device to the node to see what the strength is at that location in your house, which is good. Otherwise, guys, this is fantastic. Wi-Fi 6 in the house, AX11000. Amazing, amazing, amazing technology. If you want the best, this is the best. definitely check it out. Look up the research on it. All the specs are fantastic. Really, really great. Glad to have it in the Raft Cave. Wi-Fi search is done. I'm good with this for a long time, unless some other company comes out with the AX11000 and blows this one out of the water. Then we'll talk. But for now, that's it. I'm done. All right, guys. Thanks for watching this unboxing and brief overview of it. You guys have a great day. Thanks for stopping by. Please hit that like button. Subscribe if you're new. Welcome to the Raft Cave Club. If you have any questions, leave me some comments below and I'll try to get to them. You guys have a great day. As always, home theater rules. Raft out.